atmosphere as we go in here. The vehicle just reported via tone that it has started guided entry.
And what they were getting excited about was that it's just begun the first part of the so-called guided entry. So this is the crucial period.
Its way to the target. Sorry, first angle first. First angle first. We have seen peak deceleration. We passed peak heating and peak deceleration. It is reporting that we are seeing G's on the order of 11 to 12 Earth G's.
Flight GDSA.
GDSA flight go.
We are processing data from Odyssey.
Okay, so did you hear that? They were getting back the data now from Odyssey. So it is picking up the signals from Curiosity as it's
Copy, data reversal 2 complete.
Okay.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy.
We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal gets increases to respectable levels.
We are now seeing
And we have
Okay, copy.
and visualization is updated. Make sure you're making alignment.
That's good.
And the range control, area used minus 1.2 kilometers. 1.2.
The LT is reporting that we are, that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have control the converged a lot of the error, and we should be heading for the target. EDL, PDL.
This graphic, you can see the circle there, that ellipse is actually marking where they intend to land Curiosity.
We have seen heating on the heat shield through the Bevy instrument. Everything looks fine, which is as expected. During the setting alignment phase, we're flying almost horizontally like a plane. We're going about Mach 2.4 at an altitude of 17 kilometers or so. Vehicles reporting heartbeat once again, indicating that everything is fine for heading alignments. We are standing by for straighten up and fly right and parachute. Vehicles continue to decelerate. We're down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 kilometers altitude.
We've begun entry balance mass jettison. Predicted mid downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
EDL ops, Odyssey systems on EDL ops.
Well, that's good. They've got the parachute out. Now that's really critical, obviously, to slowing the spacecraft down so it doesn't smack straight into the surface of Mars.
Thrusters have been re-enabled. We will control our attitude on shoot. We are decelerating.
Rig mode under parachute.
We are at 150 meters per second.
Dynamic phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
This mode is nominal.
We're at 9 kilometers descending.
Down range.
That filter is converted with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We will fire the ground to the radar.
Now to the 50 kilometers.
Feature section has separated. We're on the ground.
Due to reflect location as expected.
We're getting guided in front of the Emily engines in preparation for power flight. We're down to 90
Okay, so
seconds
they've
at an altitude
separated the
of
heat
3.5
shield.
kilometers
They're
descending.
getting ready to deploy the sky crane.
Flight EDL, we got torpedo warning. I didn't get that when we were most, so I should power from
Director of Communications at this time. We may have lost our record. descending. We've lost some Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on out of this country.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 80.
We are finding 8 meters by start enabled, standing by for vacuum separation.
Signal Odyssey is still strong.
We are in our flight.
Well, that means the sky crane is operating as it should. They're on powered flow.
Signal Odyssey in the air.
Altitude error 5.9 meters.
We've got 95 meters. We're coming ready to separate. Down 40 meters altitude.
So clearly the peanuts worked again. Now, seeing as they seem to have had a reasonably good link from Odyssey, hopefully we might get those pictures back in the next few minutes. Think they might be a bit excited?
As sequence is kicked off, waiting for images. Images are starting to come down.
Well, that sounds like they're getting the images.
Thumbnails coming down.
Odyssey data is still strong.
Odyssey data is very strong.
Well, that's good. Did you get that? The Odyssey data is still strong, so the images are hopeful we'll get them.
At this time, we're standing by for images.
There we go. Doesn't look like much, but it means it's on the ground. If you couldn't make that out, they were saying it's the wheel. And they were hoping they might even get more than one image, so we'll give it a few more minutes and see if anything else comes down.
we have our first image. This we've got is a 64 by 64 thumbnail, a rear half-cam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly what the orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it. I think in just a few minutes we might get even a larger 250 to 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is in the distance. You can't really tell that. We're looking at the shadow way out the new sun.
So these are the rear half cams.
The rear half cam.
And it does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but it's the dust that covers the problem. It's the fact there's dust in the air because we've just blown dust all over the place with our descent engines.
Fantastic.
Okay, now what they were saying about that image is that it's from the rear hazard cameras, so one of the cameras on the back of the rover. It was looking out towards the horizon, but you could see the wheel in the foreground.
You can see the horizon there in the background, and there is the wheel of the rover safely on the surface of Mars. I can't believe this is unbelievable.
And they were also saying that there are dust particles actually on the lens of the camera that were kicked up by the landing.
On the other side of the vehicle, and also probably dusty. This is amazing.
So that is one of Curiosity's rover wheels on the surface of Mars.
Yes. Oh, wow. Now we have another image coming down. This is a view looking the other direction. It's still being processed. You'll see it in just a second here.
Right, you can see another wheel.
This is another thumbnail image.
Is that a shadow?
That's the shadow of the Curiosity rover on the surface of Mars.
The Odyssey's transition is about to end. It's about to set below the peak of Mount Sharp very shortly. So this is about all the data we're going to get, but things look great.